Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram username before the 14-day waiting period. Yep, you have heard that right. If you need to change your Instagram username quickly, I have got two simple solutions for you. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with solution 1. Submitting a help request to Instagram directly. This method is really great if you have a strong reason for needing that change. Maybe you made a typo or someone else changed your username. Here's how to do it. Head over to your Instagram at account settings and scroll down. Go to help. Then you can see there's a report a problem. Go for it. Then you have to click report problem without shaking. Now go for include and continue. Now here you can see Instagram is asking you to briefly explain what happened and what's not working. Now let's type. So I have written that, hey there, I accidentally changed my username and want to fix this typo. Can you please enable it? Now send this to Instagram. Now wait for it. It might take a few days to get a response, but it's worth a try. Now let's move on to solution 2. Deactivating and reactivating your account. This is another method that might work if you don't want to wait 14 days. So go for Instagram settings and then account center, then scroll down and go for personal details. Here you will see contact info, date of birth and account ownership and control. We have to go for it. Then deactivation or deletion. Then deactivate your account. Temporary. Tap continue and you have to give your password and you have to continue for it. Then again I will say wait for 24 hours and again reactivate your account and you will get an option to change your Instagram username again. I hope so. So that's for today. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Ta-da!